Why do real estate agents have call reluctance? Well, first of all, they don't know who they're supposed to call, and then they don't know what they're supposed to say. So right now, I'm going to give you the top 3 people you need to call right now to make your real estate business thrum. Now, I'm going to talk about the 3 that were my last 3 closings. The first one is somebody my mama went to high school with. Now, however old you are, there's somebody older than you who could probably use a real estate professional's help. These folks have been in their house for a lifetime, needed a lot of hand-holding and a lot of education about the market, and we made it and had to do a lot of extra help along the way, which is a high five to my partner, Virginia Halter, for getting it there. Think about how you have interconnected spheres of influence. The second person I want you to call is a real estate pro in a market that regularly feeds to the market you're in. Me being in Concord, North Carolina, I just had a closing with an agent in Atlanta, Georgia. There is a huge pipeline up the I-85 corridor and down the 85 corridor from Atlanta to the Charlotte area. So make sure that you are maintaining and taking care of those relationships with other real estate professionals. For the record, if you're trying to figure out how you can build those relationships, this is one of those reasons you got to lean into conferences and conventions and networking. For me personally, I find those referral partners need to have 2 qualifications. The first one is they should have their CRS designation. That's a realtor who is a certified residential specialist, which means they have taken classes above and beyond what's required by the state, and they have closed a lot of transactions, which tells me they do know how to get somebody across the finish line. Now, the third person I want you to call right now is the first person you ever did business with. Whether they were a buyer or a seller, they probably haven't heard from you in a while, and I'm pretty sure they'll be excited to hear from you. Get out of your own way because you're probably going to feel bad for not having done a great job talking to them. I promise you, it's not that hard. Call those 3, give me a comment and circle back. And for more juice, come see me.